Hello guys and welcome to not the regulator, but a big thank you and a 400 subscriber special. So that's it really. Thank you guys so much for your support over the years. I am a small YouTuber and this is a hobby of mine, that's it. But I take great pride in what I do. I do try to put good content out there for you. So, you know, I've done quite, I think for myself I've done okay. I probably have videos I could have done better, but apart from that, I think I've done okay. I just want to say thanks to everyone who's subscribed recently, commented and liked the shorts and the main videos. That means the absolute world to me. Because as some of you probably know or have a guess, things personally are not good. There's a lot going on. Not that I'll tell you here because I won't. But I just want to say thank you to all of you. You've all been amazing people. And now we have a subscriber video. So what's coming next is a bit of footage of the last month or so of flight sim, train sim, and some amazing shots I've taken with people, talking to people. I just want to say another thanks to Jake as well, because Jake also helped with us as well to get to 400. So thanks, buddy. Thanks to everyone who's supported me over the last few years I've been doing this. So enough from me. I'm gonna let the video do the talking, and I shall see you all in the next one. Cheerio.
$2,500.
Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate.
Emirates 736, wind tree 28 at 5, cleared to land runway tree 0 left.
Cleared to land runway, tree 0 left.
Too low,
Emirates
terrain.
736.
Too low, terrain. 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 300.
Emirates 752 heavy, exit runway when able.
200.
Emirates 736 go around.
100.
Sync rate. Sync rate.
20. 10.
Emirates 752 heavy, contact ground on 118.85.
Too low, terrain. 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 Too low, terrain.
Sync rate. Pull up. Sync rate. Pull up.
100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Inches, stabilized. Cal flaps. Cal flaps. Cal flaps set. Full power, please. Going full power. Full power set. Auxiliary, gear up. Gear selected up. Gear up, lights out. Flaps up. Flaps going up. ADI off. ADI is off. Landing lights. Speed good, extending lights. Points extended and on. Copy. Call meet called. Set call. Before landing checks complete.